Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create your perfect chrome finish. I'm going to use our gold chrome powder today on a base of white magic and black magic, just so that you can see the difference that the beneath colour can make to your final look. I'm then going to take our Layer It, which needs to be cured for 60 seconds. Now if you forget, the cure times are on the back of the bottle, just make sure to do that to give that perfect base. You want to check your line of light as you're applying this and make sure there's no bits of debris, hairs, fluff, anything that's going to disturb your chrome, as it will make it look worse in the end. Also make sure you don't cap with Layer It, as this can cause chipping. When you come to apply your chrome powder, please do not use a bare finger. It needs to be a clean gloved finger or a sponge applicator, just to really buff that in and make sure you're not putting oils onto the nail. As you can see, over the black it looks really gold, and over the white you get a more translucent look. You want to make sure that you buff any excess chrome off of the nail before you top coat using a lint-free wipe or a fluffy brush, and just make sure to go over the edges of the nail with the 240 side of your Lecenté file. Once you're happy, you can then top coat. Make sure you thoroughly cap that edge to ensure that you don't get any surface breakdown, chipping or peeling of your chrome. So next I'm going to show you how to create your isolated chrome designs. You want to make sure you're doing this on top of a cured matte top coat surface. I'm going to decant some Layer It onto my palette and just the tiniest bit of black magic, and mix together with my T1 tool. I like to use my S1 brush to create any designs. Now you'll see that as I'm using the tiniest bit of black magic in with my Layer It, it just creates that translucent yet coloured gel for me to be able to see exactly where I'm painting. So I can see the swirls and the curves that I'm going to create, and then we can cure those in the lamp for the full 60 seconds that Layer It needs. Once that's cured in the lamp, you can then take your blue chrome powder and a sponge tip applicator and just buff over your design, making sure to cover all of what you've created, and then use a lint-free wipe to buff off any excess and remove it from your background. You can then top coat and cure in your lamp for 30 seconds, and that's your final design complete. I hope that helps you create your perfect chrome designs.